This is a presentation on internet marketing, how to understand and manage it. Are you a business owner or CEO confused by internet marketing? Are there too many pieces to put together for a clear picture of what it is, how it works, and what it's supposed to do for your business? What if there was a way to cut to the core of internet marketing that was understandable and manageable? Would you find value in this? Hi, I'm Don Metznick, and I have an approach to do just that. Help you understand and manage internet marketing. There are 3 steps involved. First, you have to answer the core strategic questions. There are only 5. Then you pull together the tools, tactics, activities, software, and people that will make your plan come alive. Finally, add some metrics so that you can manage the plan. Today, we're only concerned about the first step, answering the 5 core questions. At the end of this short presentation, I'll show you ways to work on steps 2 and 3. I guarantee that everything you've heard about internet marketing will fit into an action plan based on these 5 core questions. So let's get started. You'll see how easy but practical this approach is. Question number 1. Do you want to get found by your prospects? The benefit is more leads, and the action you must take is to become findable. If you want more leads, then you'll need to engage in inbound marketing, in effect, creating a magnetic pull to your website and online presence. Well, I told you this was easy, but don't let the simplicity of the approach make you question its value. It will work. Just stay with me. Question number 2. Do you want to know what's on the mind of your prospects and customers? What they're thinking and saying about you and your competitors? The benefit is having a window on reality and being in a position to make fact-based decisions. If you want this benefit, then you must listen. Social media monitoring can help you listen. Question number 3. Do you want your prospects to feel connected to you? When you connect with your prospects, you help move them toward a sale. And to accomplish this, you must engage them and develop a relationship. There are many tools to help you, but the key ingredient is to actively participate in the ongoing online conversation. Question number 4. Do you want to sell to your prospects? Seems like a ridiculous question, because the benefit is more sales. But to generate sales, you must be likable and gain trust. So, your decision is whether or not you are committed to being likable and trustworthy. And finally, question number 5. Do you want more profit? Well, who doesn't want to improve the return on your marketing investment? Again, it is a matter of commitment, because the way to improve profitability for internet marketing is to automate processes with tools like CMS software and to commit to testing and following proven methodologies. That's it. You've answered the 5 core strategic questions that form the foundation of internet marketing. Now, let's dive a little deeper into the process to better appreciate how this is an effective management tool for you. Notice the sequences that we've discussed. The questions move you strategically. You want your prospects to find you, so you'll listen and learn, connect, sell, and profit. As you can see, this is a natural and logical progression. Next, notice the sequence of benefits. They begin with more leads, facts for better decisions, moving down the selling cycle towards actual sales, then ROI improvement. The actions follow a logical sequence as well. You must become findable, listen, become engaged, earn trust, then automate the process to improve results. As the business owner or CEO, this is a plan that everyone can understand and that you can manage with little time commitment of your own. Of course, adding the specific tools, tactics, activities, and software will take time and effort by your staff or outside resources. But SEO, social media, blogging, Facebook, all these things can be properly and neatly slotted into the 5 core question categories. Just add some metrics, and you're good to go. Here's the key takeaway. Internet marketing is important to the future of your business. There are many pieces to it, and it may seem terribly complex, but it doesn't have to be complex. Follow the simple process that I've outlined, and you will be able to better understand and manage internet marketing. I have a summary chart of this process that I'd like to give to you. Just request the download. And if you have any questions or would like to discuss how to simplify internet marketing for your company, email me at don@metznick.com. I'd be delighted to hear from you. I'm Don Metznick, and I thank you for your time.